Meaning of erect.
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 Erect. The word erect means to stand up or cause something to stand up straight or upright. When something is erect, it is in a vertical position and not leaning or slanting. This can apply to physical objects such as buildings, poles, or trees, or to living organisms such as humans and animals. The result of something being erect is a sense of stability and firmness, as well as an impression of strength and confidence. An erect posture can also convey a sense of alertness and attentiveness.